Hello, I'm Tom. Excuse the terrible camera quality. I'm going to show you my project that I've been working on for quite a while now. It's called tomOS, and it's basically a web-based operating system which runs entirely in the browser. I plan to open source it, and it's running off my Raspberry Pi. I've been working on it for around a month now. It's not perfect. There are little inconsistencies and errors that pop up, etc. But I hope to show you all that I have done already today. Right. So here I'm going to open up the terminal. This is basically a command prompt that I can run commands that I've specified that are in packages. The whole thing takes inspiration from Unix. I'm just showing moving about a bit and typing a command, typing doc in, which is the word editor. For some reason it came up with an error. This hadn't happened before. It's just seconds before I started the demo, so I'm a bit confused by this, but I close it obviously, and now I show you the file browser. Yellow is folders, orange are files, and if I click on a file, convert.sh, which is a bash file, this time the word editor opens up with no problems, and it shows you the contents of the bash file. Bash files won't run in the browser because it runs on JavaScript, and also this word editor is not a code editor, so it's not showing you the correct spacing or highlighting or anything. Here we go, just closing it so that it doesn't mess up the code. Going back a directory, going up to I went into OKGo, showing you well, basically you can type in a directory there and it works. I'm going to try doc again, looks like. Oh yeah, I'm trying it with a directory with a second command this time to see if that was the problem. It wasn't, clearly. A web browser. It's pointless really, but I decided I should do it. It's just an iframe basically. It was one of the first apps I coded. It was just to show that I could, like, how it was just in my head to get the API right for coding an app. So the app has access to the content window, to events for on maximize, on minimize, etc., etc., on resize, and etc. So I went to Reddit, of course. Where else would I go? Showing resizing of the terminal. I'm a bit egocentric. Yeah, this video caught my eye while I was recording. Slightly unprofessional, so moving around, closing. Music. I turned on warnings on PHP, so I could debug, but it's coming up inside search boxes now and stuff. Just scrolling through a music collection. When I click play on this Monsters Inc., it's played through my Raspberry Pi, as you can see with the and I can control the volume of the Raspberry Pi. The CSS is messed up a bit here. Again, this is all beta. It's just testing it out. So it played it through my Raspberry Pi, and now I'm searching for the same folder. I'm playing it locally. It doesn't come up. It doesn't play, unfortunately. Also, it would be copyright if it did. I love this song, though. You should look it up. Okay. I'm going to show you sessions, browser sessions, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to show you when you close the window, it can save your session and reload it even on a different machine. It saves it to the server so that it can reload it later. Here we go. Yeah. So when I left the page, it told me that it saved the session and whether I wanted to actually leave or not. And now I'm going into the console because that's the only way to access it at the moment. And it saved the positions and also the content of the window. With the terminal, it's messed up with new lines, but it's not a big deal necessarily. Easy to fix. Now I've moved the window, refreshed the page again, and you'll see that the window is moved again. The window is picked up in its new position. Now I'm showing you window switching and minimizing. I've got a switcher, a tasker. Like it works like Alt tabs. You press the Alt key and it comes up. That's my own open box thing. Yeah, or you can press Alt down and switch between windows like that. So Alt brings up a window switcher basically, and if you click on it, then it minimizes the window if it's focused, and it brings it up if it's not. That's pretty much it. What am I showing you? Oh, I'm showing you opening of a text file. So I've planted a text file, editing the text file. Here we go. A little message I left for you. That's it.